Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a search bar in Shopify header. First, you will have to open Shopify on the browser, then log in into your account. And once you open it, you should now open the dashboard. As you can see, then go to settings on the bottom left corner. And once you click on settings, it will show you this menu on the left side. Click on apps and sales channels. And after that, you will find an option here called Shopify App Store. Click on this button. And after that, will jump you directly to Shopify App Store. You can download any application that you need from this section right here. And now I'm going to search for smart search up right here, then click on enter, and after that it will show you many options, and I want you to select this one right here. So click on this app, and after that it will show you here install option. I'm gonna click on install, then it will jump me directly to another page like this one. Just click on install again, and after that the application will be installed on your Shopify. Now you'll find it here on the left side, the application. Now you can click on next. Then here, as you can see, it will ask you to choose anything. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, instant search or collection filters, but here in my case I'll click on instant search, and after that I can choose any one of these. So now I'm gonna click on add a search bar right here, then click on add custom search bar, and by this way you can now add the search bar to any one of your stores that you have on the same email. Now here, as you can see, I have the search bar up right here. Now let's just click on save. You can also change the colors of your search bar. I'm gonna choose this one right here, and I'm going to choose another one for the button itself. I'm going to choose the yellow one, and now here, as you can see, the colors are changed right here. Then I'm going to click on save, and now when you go back to your dashboard, then click on online store and try to click on one of your stores, then click on these three dots, then choose preview. You will open it, and here, as you can see, you will find here the search bar. You can now type anything that you want in order to search for it, and this will also be displayed to your customers or any visitors to the website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new tutorial.